Introducing spot footing. We're adding a new level of foundations. Click on the option to enter spot footings and enter the properties. We select the footing type and set the parameters of the size and position of the structural axes. The 2D view can be changed into a picture, then all parameters are described on it with markings in brackets. After defining the footing, we can save it to the library or simply put it in the projection. By default, a monolithic column is inserted with the spot footing. In our case, it is not needed, so we disable the insertion. We indicate the position of the footing. We can make another one or use the modification option for it. We mark the inserted element, select the array option from the description ribbon or with the right mouse button. We decide whether it is to be a rectangular array or a circular array. Enter the number of lines, then the number of columns, remembering that the rate entered must also be included in both values. And we give the distance between the elements. By default, it is the distance from the axis of the element to the axis of the next element. If we want the copied elements to be entered below the marked one, the line must contain a value preceded by a minus. We approve the introduction. We can now repeat the operation, changing the dimensions between the lines due to the column spacing in our project. We will complete the last axis with the copied elements. We mark them and choose the copy option. We indicate the reference point and insert.